Good morning, everyone. So, today I am in Vienna and we are here to celebrate Christmas 2025. Vienna is one of the most beautiful cities in the world to celebrate Christmas. So, I've just arrived today morning and I'm staying at this beautiful property called Steigenberger Hotel. Looking forward to spend the next 3 days in Vienna. It's so beautiful. It's 0 degree right now. A lot of tourists here. Just checking in and then we will visit the Christmas market, the famous Rautsplatz Christmas market. Now we are heading to Graben, which is one of the most famous tourist spot. It has a lot of shopping areas. It's a main shopping district. And then we go to St. Stephen's Cathedral. Over there, there's also a kind of a Christmas market, but a lot of shops. And then we go to the famous Rautsplatz Christmas market. Beautiful day in Vienna. It's just 4 p.m. right now. I think this is the whole shopping street over here. It's very busy because it's 25th of December. So yeah, right, I'm here and excited to see the whole Christmas market. The vibe here is insane, it's crazy. I mean, just look at that, the St. Stephen's Cathedral, and you can see so many people around. If you guys want to spend a real Christmas, one of the best Christmas in the world, you should visit Vienna. So now I'm trying the Glühwein, which is one of the most famous drink in Christmas in Vienna. It's basically a wine with a lot of herbs, hot wine, and it's a perfect drink in this temperature. I mean, it's 0 degrees right now. We are doing the horse ride in the city center for 20 minutes. It's a short ride. Wow, the best time. Literally the best time of the year. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 in Vienna. So last night we went to St. Stephenplatz for the Christmas market. Tried some Glühwein and it was what an atmosphere. I mean, Vienna is one of the best places to visit during Christmas. Then I slept and it's 10 a.m. and right now we are heading to Schönbrunn Palace, which is one of the most popular destinations and a lot of history attached to it. So let's see if they have the Christmas market there, what's the vibe there. In the afternoon maybe we go to a bar, some famous bars over there. Yeah, that's the plan. It's a beautiful day in Vienna. So finally we are at the Schönbrunn Castle and there's a beautiful Christmas market there. As you can see, so many people. This is the famous Christmas tree at the Schönbrunn Palace. You can see all the shops around and such a good vibe over here. I mean, Christmas in Europe is another level. I mean, it's the best time of the year, honestly. So we are taking potatoes with cabbage, that's a vegan option here, and a Glühwein. I think the sun is out, so feeling a little bit better because otherwise it's so cold out here. I mean, so now we are at the Hofburg Palace, that's the imperial palace of the Habsburg dynasty, and yeah, this is the winter residence of the rulers. And Schönbrunn, when we went, that was the summer palace, so basically during winters they used to be here. It's so massive, it's huge, and it's one of the most famous attractions in Vienna, in Austria. Now we are going to the famous Hotel Sacher, and they're famous for hot chocolates. It's one of the most famous hotels, and they have a nice cafe. That's the queue for Cafe Sacker. I mean, it's crazy. Everyone wants to go because it's one of the most beautiful cafes. It's in the center of Vienna, just right next to the opera. Crazy. So now we are at the Imperial Hotel, and there's a famous bar, Imperial Bar. So it's one of the most famous places, so I had to come here for a drink. So we are here. I'm having a penicillin, which is a smoked whiskey-based cocktail. We are at the Christkindl Christmas market, the Rathausplatz Christmas market, the most beautiful, the most famous Christmas market, I think, in the world, and the best in the Europe. We are right here. Look at the crowd, my God. It's crazy. Everyone's here, I feel. Waiting in the queue for the Glühwein. What an atmosphere, it's crazy. I mean, everyone's here. Best time of the year. Such a beautiful atmosphere. The Rathausplatz Christmas market is one of the most beautiful Christmas markets in Vienna. And if you are during here in Christmas, you have to be here. Because the roasted chestnuts. Now we're heading to Joseph Cocktail Bars, which is one of the 50 best bars in the world. Good morning, guys. It's a third day in Vienna, and this is my last day, and tomorrow we are flying back. A lot of people around because it's a holiday season, and I'm just going to grab some lunch. This is the Cafe Central. This is one of the most famous cafes, Cafe Central. So we just got done with lunch, and that's the Förster Passage. It's one of the most popular spots. It's a shopping mall, courtyard, and a lot of shops around. They have a very nice alley where people take a lot of pictures, and it's a beautiful place. So just walking through that. We are walking towards the Hofburg Palace. There's a big park over here. So now we are outside the Himmel Cafe. This is one of the most famous cafes as well. You can see the queue over there. It's crazy. Guys, it's 4 o'clock in the evening, and we are walking towards the Stephansplatz, the Opera House. Maybe we'll sit at a cafe, Cafe Mozart, if there is no queue. Planning to visit a very famous bar which is called the Bank Bar, which is in Park Hyatt Hotel. So last night we went to the Imperial Bar, which is also one of the most iconic places. But yeah, many people have suggested me to visit Bank Bar. So let's go there. And yeah, this is the last night. In the night, maybe go to Jewish Quarter, which is like they have a lot of bars around. So yeah, let's see how the night unfolds. Oh yeah. That's the queue for Cafe Sacker, the hot chocolate. I don't think we are getting in there, but maybe we'll get in Cafe Mozart. And that the street, I think, leads to the St. Stephen's Cathedral, the Stephansplatz. The first day when we went for the Christmas market, I think that's the street. So it runs straight. So now we are at the Bank Bar, which is at the Park Hyatt Hotel. So I ordered a whiskey-based cocktail, more on a smoky flavor. It's very nice. just 6 o'clock and I think the bar is full because it's Christmas time. So many people here, and this is one of the most beautiful bars I've seen. Vienna at Christmas feels warm even in the cold. Every street glows a little softer this time of the year. Slow walks, quiet cafes, and moments that don't need a plan. The kind of days that stay with you long after you leave. This trip reminded me to slow down and take it all in, to choose presence over pace, to enjoy the now. Thank you, Vienna. Until next time.